We are moving, so I wanted to do this empties video for you guys. I don't want to bring this trash with me, so it's not a whole lot, but I still wanted to share it with you guys. Most of the things are skincare, but I'm going to start off with makeup because I only have one thing. This is the Clinique High Impact Mascara. It's a deluxe travel size, sample size, whatever. I love this mascara. This is one of my favorites. I don't typically purchase this unless I want to buy something to get a gift with purchase or something, and then this is something that I would consider picking up. But I think this came in a gift with purchase. And I really like this mascara. It works really well. It doesn't flake until it starts drying out, which I did notice, which is why it's in this empties. Also, I'm trying to stick to the 3 to 4 months, but I kind of have a hard time with that because I don't use mascara all the time. So I feel like I'm wasting it. But anyway, this one did just start to flake a little bit on me, so I know it's time to get rid of it. So this was before I started doing a bigger sample Sunday kind of version or whatever, because I do have some skincare samples in here that weren't a part of that project. So the first one is the Arbonne Calm Soothing Eye Gel. And I didn't really care for this. It was very liquidy and I just didn't really notice it doing anything, so I wouldn't really recommend this, and it wasn't my favorite. I won't purchase it. I think the full size comes in a rollerball thing, which probably helps. This doesn't, so yeah. And also it was kind of a weird color. Like, it wasn't clear. So I don't know if this product's supposed to be clear or not, but it wasn't. So I don't know if it went bad. But anyway, I didn't really like it. The next skincare sample that I used up was the Clarins Multi-Active SPF 20 Targets Fine Lines Antioxidant Day Cream. Yeah, so this was okay. It was nice for SPF. I don't think it was very moisturizing as a moisturizer itself. But for an SPF, it is nice to use on your face. But I don't think I would pay the price just for a face SPF. I'm not sure exactly how much this is, but it is by Clarins, so it is a bit more pricey. So I don't think I would purchase it again. I would definitely use it again if I got it in a sample or whatever. I guess I had 2 of those, sorry. I also have this little foil packet version of the same thing I just showed you. I also used this up. So this is the Bedescu Rose Hip Mask. It is a smaller version of it. It's only 0.5 ounces. And I really liked this. This was really nice. So Bedescu isn't that expensive of a brand, so I would consider actually purchasing a full size of this, especially if it like went on sale or there was a 20% coupon or something at Ulta. Yeah, this is something I would definitely purchase a full size of. I really liked this. Something about my skin just looked so much better every time I would use, like the day after I would use this. It was amazing, and I only noticed it after I used this product. So I know it was this. My skin was just smooth, more radiant, and it just, I don't know. It was moisturized, everything applied better on top of it. I'm actually using another one of these in my Sample Sunday video right now, my project, but it is a different container. The one in that video has a silver cap and this has a white cap, but it's the same exact thing. It's the Absolute Night Cream, and this one's completely used up. Nothing left in that. So I think I started using that one right after I finished this, just so I could use it for a longer period of time. And I do like this. It is a thicker night cream though, so I feel like I have to use like an oil or serum or something before, just to make it kind of sink in a little bit better. But I do like this. It doesn't break me out or anything, so that's good. As far as repurchasing a full size, I don't know. I feel like this is a really expensive product. So I kind of want to try other things first, but I would definitely use this if I got another sample or whatever. These guys here, these are the Olay Makeup Remover Wet Gloss Fragrance Free Removes Even Waterproof Mascara. these were just okay. I thought I really liked these at first, but the more I used them, and maybe it was because they were less saturated near the end or something, but these were just okay. I don't know if I would really purchase these again or not. Maybe if they were on sale and I really needed something, I would. But I think I prefer like Neutrogena or Simple or one of those makeup wipes a little bit better than this one. I used this face mask. This is a sheet mask, I think. This is the Hanaka Royal Jelly Q10. It says it's supposed to, it's the Resiliency Plus Botanic Treatment Reviving Mask. It's supposed to significantly improve skin's elasticity and firmer. This, I actually don't quite remember what the mask was like. I used this quite a long time ago. I used up a toothpaste. This is the Crest. I'm trying to like get it so you can see it because it was all mangled up. The Crest Sensi Repair and Prevent toothpaste. Looks like that. I like it. It was good. I think it's nice for sensitive teeth, which I do kind of have. I do recommend it. It is a good one. So it's something I would probably pick up again too. As far as hair care, I only used up one thing, and I think that's because I've been using a lot of sample hair care. But this is the Frieda Sheer Blonde Highlight Activating Enhancing Shampoo. Looks like this. This was okay. I do like it. I would only purchase this if it was on sale. I don't think it's amazing, but it's not bad either. So yeah, this worked. I went through it. Yeah. Not much to say about that. It's a shampoo. I'm not too picky with shampoos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know what you guys used up this month. What was your favorite item? Also, if you've tried any of these products, let me know what your thoughts are on them. I'm interested to know that as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!